Tonight here at the National Night Out Against Crime here in Lilburn, Georgia, we're trying to educate the public on how to reinforce their doors against home invasion kick-ins. And we're trying to do that by showing different products from high security locks to reinforcing plates. And we're giving a free drawing for a free reinforcement of a door. So we're trying to encourage people and educate them on how easily they can have their doors kicked in and how easily it can be prevented by having the right materials installed on their doors. Every year that I do this, I have more and more people come up to me and tell me that their door was kicked in. And that tonight is no exception. I've had 10 people in the last 6 minutes come up and say their doors were kicked in and that they need these products. So your doors can be easily kicked in too, and you need these products. Kevin Wilson, Master Locksmith, Lilburn, Georgia.